people pleaser.
I know.
This is what happens. This forecast, when you try to make everybody happy, Matt, this is what happens.
You get a little bit of everything.
You do.
We're going on the roller coaster ride, and Matt, you're giving out the tickets.
That's right. You know, we don't want to make people wait too long, so we'll just switch it up every other day. So that's kind of what we're looking at in the days ahead. First of all, less wind for tonight. We've been kind of dealing with strong breezes for nearly 48 hours now. That will start to really subside here within the hour and even 2 hours from now. And then the breezes will return tomorrow as we're tracking to return to light southwesterly winds. And that'll warm us up for Wednesday, especially over the western half of the area. But those ups and downs with passing clouds this week and fairly dry weather. A look right now over Manhattan. Gorgeous evening out there if you could get just out the window. Once you're outside, the breeze starting to let up. A cold night out there, but a beautiful sky. Currently in Topeka, it's 27 degrees. The winds are still 13 miles per hour out of the northwest. Topped out at 34 after a morning low of 24. It's 33 in Manhattan, 35 at Osage City, but a large area, really not even getting above the 32-degree mark for today. A cold and windy day. The winds not as strong as they were yesterday, now subsiding, and this time they will stay light through the night as temperatures range from about 24 at Hiawatha, 25 at Burlington, Junction City and Clay Center sit at 29. Winds are fairly light over the northwestern counties, still about 10 to 15 east, a little bit stronger at Burlington, still 17 miles per hour. And where those winds are stronger, we've got wind chills in the teens. West, the wind chills are more commonly in the 20s right now, but that again is going to be less and less of a concern as the night goes on. We've been tracking some thin cloud cover moving in from north to south over the area, and this cloud cover is really right on the area, kind of the edge of the chilly weather that's been including us today with the mild weather to the west. And this will shift back and forth each day this week. And because of that, we'll have passing clouds, but we'll also have ups and downs temperature-wise. And it's all a factor of which direction the wind's blowing. KSNT Future Track shows light winds overnight try to turn to the south by tomorrow morning, and they become more southwesterly as we head into the afternoon, and that will send temperatures climbing for tomorrow after a start near 19 and less wind overnight. We'll make a pretty good rebound. In Topeka, around 49, 53 in Manhattan tomorrow, and maybe even mid-50s in the far western counties, but we'll all cool back down on Thursday. Then we all warm back up on Friday before a much more significant drop in temperature on Saturday. Saturday looks quite cold with highs not too much lower than we were today, but similar, upper 20s. And then as that cold air is still in place Sunday morning and the warmer air starts to move in, could see a light winter mix as we transition over to some warmer weather by the early part of next week. By Tuesday, we could be back up close to 60 degrees. The sunset yesterday evening, another nice one from Larry Fisher at Topeka. You can see in the trees there some turkeys roosting and dust blowing over Milford Lake and those gusty winds from Sandy Beaker.
Boy, it is dry out there.
It is dry. It's been windy, but now at least the winds are starting to calm down for tonight.
Thank goodness.
Thanks, Matt.